Here's a nice lean improvement, and it's a system for making these finger pad modules. So at the moment we use this this mounting plate, and then we take these buttons. So these finger pads are for triggering synthesizer sounds. So here's one on bass guitar, and on regular guitar there's 6 of them, so you can see them on a few guitars here. There's another set of them. And previously we had a problem. So these finger pads, a sensor goes on these, and then the finger pads need to get stuck perfectly centered. And what we use is this 3M VHB tape to stick this down. And we came up with all kinds of complicated systems for making these circles. And this is just a really simple system that I've come up with now to allow one-piece flow and really easily do it. So what you do is you get a bit of the VHB tape and you put it across this, and this is a replaceable unit. So it's made of acrylic, and it's got Gorilla Tape on the top, so you can easily just peel off the Gorilla Tape and put down a new surface for using the cutting tool. And basically you just put a length of the VHB tape, and then as you can see, you just come along and you push it down, you twist, and that makes one of these button stickers. And then you just come along with your tweezers, you take it off. I'm doing a little bit awkwardly here because I only have one hand, and in this case I have all of these buttons ready. But if you had a button in there, you would come along and just stick this. Again, I'm doing this with one hand, whereas I normally should be doing it with 2. This could possibly do with a Poka-Yoke system to make it impossible to get it uncentered, but at the moment this is how we do it. So that sticks down, and then your tweezers or your punch goes in there, and we have a second. So we have 2 tweezers. That was the first one I used. The second one is a pointy one, which is this one for taking off the red sticky back stuff. And then you come along with this one. So we've made this little module here, and so that's for the guitar model. But we've made a second module, which is this one here, for a bass model. So if you change from a guitar to a bass, is all you do is you change out this module. And so I'm doing a guitar one right now. So what you would do is you would come along and you would place this on here. So you'd remove all of these red stickers, you place this in so it fits in perfectly tight, you can't go wrong. And then you take this out and you press the pads into the sensors, and then you'll have your module there. So you can do it. The concept of this is that it's as easy to do one piece as it is 10. And previously we had for cutting these, we had a kind of a fancy fitting that went on the pillar drill, and you would have to set it up, and you would batch do a whole bunch of them of the finger pads with the sticker in the middle. And then we also had another system for doing them on here, but we had like a cutting mat, and the cutting mat was getting all wrecked, as you can see, with the circles. So this way makes it really easy to do. And the whole unit, then you just grab it, all the tools are on ready to go, and you slide it into the one of our shelves up there, and you have it ready to go. So you pull down all the tools and the jig all in one go, make one very easily, and you can put it back up. So that's it.